Good morning, students. Now, today we'll start with the next topic of the plus 2 bio, that is agents of pollination. Clear? So, today I will discuss the different agents of pollination. Now, first of all, we can divide the agents of pollination. Agents of pollination means anything which helps in pollination, right? This is the meaning of that. So, we divide the agents into two groups. One is abiotic. Abiotic means which is non-living agents, right? And second one is biotic. Biotic means any agent which is living. Clear? So today I will discuss with you only the abiotic agents. Now, as I already told you, abiotic agents are those which are non-living and help in pollination. Pollination means carrying pollen grains from anther to stigma. So there are certain non-living agents which help to carry pollen grains from anther to stigma, right? So first of all, in your syllabus, basically two agents are discussed. One is wind and second is water. These both are abiotic agents or the non-living agents. Now the flowers which are pollinated by the abiotic agents, there are two basic features in them. The first thing, that these flowers are not very colorful. ये ज़्यादा कलरफुल नहीं रहते बेटा, क्योंकि इंसेक्ट्स को अट्रैक्ट नहीं करना. Either pollen grains are carried by the wind or the water. So these flowers are not very colorful, right? And second thing, as these flowers do not need to attract the insects, तो इनके अंदर नेक्टर भी नहीं बनता, राइट? देर इज नो नेक्टर फॉर्मेशन. तो ये दो फीचर्स कॉमन है विंड और वाटर पॉलिनेटेड प्लांट्स में. क्लियर? नाउ आई विल डिस्कस द स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स. जो खास फीचर्स सिर्फ आपको विंड पॉलिनेटेड फ्लावर्स में मिलेंगे. क्लियर? तो वन बाय वन आई विल डिस्कस दोज features. Clear? The first one is that flowers which are pollinated by winds, they are having pollen grains. There means pollen grains, they are very light in weight, बहुत हल्के होते हैं, so that wind can easily carry them, right? And these are non-sticky. They are not having any glue-like material on them, so that they will not stick to anything when wind is carried to them, right? Second basic feature in these plants, that they are having well exposed stamens. इनके अंदर जो stamens होते हैं बेटा, they are outside the flower, ऊपर आ जाते हैं, as you have seen in the shoe flower. Clear? So that they will be easily carried. Means the pollen grains which are produced by the stamens, they can be easily carried by the wind. उसमें कोई hindrance नहीं होना चाहिए. Next specific feature is that often, means most of the cases, they are feathery. Means they are having feathery stigma, so that easily they can trap the pollen grains, right? When pollen grains come closer, so they can be stuck or trapped in the feathers, right? As you have seen in the corn cob. Mostly they are having single ovule in an ovary, means each ovary is having only one ovule, right? Now in these cases, if you will see, the flowers are mostly packed in the groups, means clusters, गुच्छे से होते हैं बेटा, and we call it inflorescence, right? So that group of flowers when packed, we call that inflorescence, right? Now the best example which is given in your book, that is corn cob. Clear? छल्ली आप लोगों ने खाई है बेटा, तो that is corn cob. Now if you will see the tassels of the corn cob, अगर आप उसके tassels को देखेंगे, so those tassels are basically what? Stigma and style, and they will come outside. Clear? So these are the some specific features of which plants which are pollinated by the wind. Clear? So plants or the flowers which are pollinated by water, their specific features I will discuss in the next video. Okay beta? Please learn all these main points of the wind pollinated flowers carefully, because these are very important. Thanks and have a nice day beta.